So for Godrej, our passion is engines. As you rightly said, we started manufacturing for ISRO way back in 1985, and since then we have been working with ISRO for various engines. And India does need the next generation gas turbine engine, and we won this order from DRDO GTRE about 2 years back, and since then we have been manufacturing and developing this particular engine. We have shipped one set of engine to GTRE, and what you see over here is the second set which is being displayed over here. So we are on an advanced stage. A lot of work from manufacturing of toolings to understanding the process, metallurgy, welding, the ovality of all the various casings, etc. So a lot of learnings have come through, and I think we are well ready to deliver further engines to the Indian programs.
You know, one of the things which has been in discussion here is about the delay in Tejas. I know you don't do much for Tejas except for some of the actuators which are used here, right?
Yeah, for Tejas we have developed along with ADA the flight control actuators. Yeah. So the LESA and the ABC are now flying, and what you see over is the L1 actuator. So this will be under test very soon. Also, we have developed various lubrication pumps. The nose wheel steering is our own design. So this is a part of the landing gear where after the aircraft lands, it kind of maneuvers onto the tarmac and takes it to the parking. So that's the nose wheel steering. That's our own design. So we have ventured into the build to spec. Earlier, up to 2021-22, we were a build to print company. With this, we have ventured into build to spec. We are also working on ejector release units, again for various programs. The uplocks which take care of the landing gear when they lock in or to be released. So various hydraulic and electromechanical actuators, whether they are for the flight or otherwise, is something what we are focusing on. That's where we are developing our design team. We just launched our design team now, and our design head will be here in a short while. So a lot of new things are happening from build to print to build to spec, but focus remains on the engine.